Yo fellow YouTubers and DIYers and tradespeople out there, this is Handy Andy of ASM Property Services, welcoming you back to the channel today here in sunny Yorkshire. And I'm going to be reviewing this. I'm going to flip the camera around. So this is a Titan rotary hammer. I've just picked this up from Screwfix. Cheap, it's cheap. About 70 quid that costs, £70 here in the UK. There it is in the box, and this is what it says on the box. You see, you got the drill function, the drill and hammer action, just a hammer, SDS plus, it's got magnesium gears. Oh, it does loads of stuff. Look, drills through wood. I think that's steel, is it? I don't know. Concrete, who knows? It's got a handle, it's got all these rev counting things on, whatever they are, and it's got a massive 8 joules of impact. Now that's pretty impressive for a £70 machine. Now back to me. Now I am doing this to replace this McAllister drill. I'm just grabbing it here. I've just picked something else up with it. This bad boy. Now I reviewed this a few months ago. Let me turn around because I've got the light shining from the other room in there. Reviewed this, when was it, about 4 or 5 months ago. And yeah, if you're a DIYer, somebody who don't use an SDS drill much, it'd probably be alright, but this is absolutely knackered now. Literally knackered. I did use it quite a bit to do the fence posts, and I'll put some things, strap lines in the top here. So I was doing that to do fence posts, so I'll put the strap line of me using it and reviewing it up there. So that's probably what did it, to be honest, because it did start smelling a bit. You know that, I don't know if you've come across this, where the drill just smells and it goes horrible. But yeah, that was that one. So I'm here working in this property again, and I was trying to drill, because we're going to be putting some ducting in up in this ceiling here, so I need to get it to go out there in a ventilation grill, so there'll be a vent here, maybe, and a vent in the other room, so they'll be ducted and connected together, and there will be a fan in the ceiling here. And I was trying to drill a hole through there with this drill, and that was it. It just couldn't handle it. So I've bought this instead now. So I was going to get something more expensive, and just thought, you know, maybe I should just buy the bulk bit. But then I thought, well, you know what? They just really are too expensive. I can't justify it at the moment. It's getting too close to Christmas, and I've got to think about that now. But we're going to have a look at this. Oh, it's tie wrapped together there, so I need to get that off. There's another. So we're just going to grab that. There we go. Got that off. There you go. Well, that's quite a different. Wasn't expecting that. Well, it's got some bits with it. That's amazing. Well, it's even got a standard chuck key one. That could come in useful. I've actually got one of those already somewhere, but I can never find it. So yeah, it's got what? Oh, they're tie wrapped together as well. So it looks like it's got some bits, at least. That's always useful. I mean, I know that McAllister one was cheap, but it never had anything with it except 3 drill bits. So we'll just have a look, see what's in this box. You could tell when I buy things from Screwfix, I don't read all the information. But there you go, that's what happens. Oh, so it's got drills, another drill, chisel, pointy chisel, drill bit, another drill bit, and another drill bit. Oh, and that's actually a metal depth gauge, and the chuck for the chuck key adapter. That's useful. That's probably not useful, but we might keep it long enough for putting them back in. But there you go. So, let me zoom out a little bit because that's a bit close. Oh, yeah, that's got a bit of weight to it. You probably noticed there it's got like shock absorber on the handle, so that's probably useful. And it's variable speed. Got your switch toggle there for the different functions. Obviously that's the hammer action and the drill there, and that one there as well. Feels the business, it's very heavy, but I should imagine it's supposed to be heavy because it's heavy duty drill. There you go, 70 quid. So what we're going to do now is going to drill a hole through that wall with it and see how far we get before I start cursing. So I've got a drill bit somewhere, so I'm going to try it, and then I'm going to try and get all the way through the wall with it and then see what it does. There you go, that concludes the Titan drill. Now that's a bit backwards because we're using the reverse camera on the phone, so you'll see nat it. Okay, right. Not a bad drill. I mean, the little cushion thing on the handle was great. Seemed to make mincemeat of this video there. You can just about see it up there. I'll flip the camera around so you can see what I'm about. There you go. Nice hole through there, and I've run some of the ducting already to bring it through the ceiling. So yeah, basically that's what I bought it for, just to do that job. If you think about getting one, get one. I mean, obviously it's £70, so it's not a lot of money, is it? But it's done the job I need to do. I'll probably use it a few more times in the year, but that's about it really. I have an SDS drill that's battery operated, the DeWalt, and I tend to use that most of the time. So there you go. Hope you got something out of this video. There is a like button that does like this, and then there's one that does like that. We like these ones, probably don't like them ones as much, but that's your choice. Yeah, you can subscribe to the channel if you want as well. Yeah, you don't have to, you can just flip on to the next one, or you can comment below and go, you know, that was a fantastic video. And then again you could go, oh, that was so boring, I was so bored all the way through that. But there you go. But this ain't Hollywood, pal, and this is a real live building site, or should I say a site? It's not really a building site. We are actually working on a real job and not in a studio. So this is life, and you know, school was boring. So when you're learning something about something, then it generally is boring, but you learn something. But there you go. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in another video soon. Thanks for watching, guys.